This is Washabi, another unboxing. This one, as you can see, this is a Seiko on number SRQ035J1, number 000484. So this is a limited edition timepiece. Nice Seiko box. Of course, the warranty document receipts. And we take out the other box from the main one. Let me see whether I can do it. Let's look it up. This is the R46 manual. It's supposed to go right in the bottom there. This is a flip box, I think. Let's see if I can flip this. Ta-da! This is the watch limited edition. It's a very nice white dial, very white dial. Also comes with a pair of leather straps. Anyway, I will do a full review on this watch soon, so look out for my blog as well as a video review on this. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye for now.